Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix cellular data not working on iPhone iOS 18. First thing first, let's make sure your cellular data is actually turned on. Also, verify you're in an area with good network coverage. A quick way to check is by looking at another device, or you can even look up your carrier's coverage map online. If everything is fine and still is not working, try the next one. To restart your iPhone, hold the slide and volume button until you see the power off slider. Slide the power off and then turn the iPhone back. Sometimes a simple restart can solve a lot of problems. 3. Update iOS. Open the settings app on your phone, scroll down and tap on General. Look for the option Software Update and click on it. If you have any update, then update the software. Make sure you have the latest iOS software installed on your phone. After updating the software, check if the cellular data is working or not. If it is still not working, then for Reset Network Settings, go to the Settings app, click on General, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Then again, click on Reset Network Settings. This will delete saved Wi-Fi networks and VPN settings, but won't delete personal data. After resetting the network, check if the cellular data is working or not. If it is still not working, then 5. Select 5G for cellular data. Go to the settings, tap Mobile Services, go to Mobile Data Options, select Voice and Data, change the settings to 5G on. Check if the cellular data is working or not. If it's still not working, then 6. Check SIM card and internet package. Confirm that your SIM card has an active internet package or connection. Ensure your SIM card is working properly. If needed, replace the SIM card to check if the issue is fixed. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.